Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a poignant chapter of history. Why did Japan use kamikaze pilots during World War II? Let's break down the complex reasons behind this desperate military strategy. First off, by late 1944, Japan was in a tight spot. The Allies had superior naval and air forces, and Japan's own military resources were dwindling fast. Traditional battle tactics just weren't cutting it anymore. Faced with this dire situation, Japan needed a way to make a significant impact, and that's when the idea of kamikaze attacks came into play. Now, culture played a huge role here too. The Samurai Bushido Code, which values honor, loyalty, and self-sacrifice, deeply influenced Japanese society. Dying for one's country wasn't just seen as a duty, it was considered an honor. This, combined with intense nationalism and loyalty to the emperor, created a powerful motivation for the pilots. But what about the impact of these attacks? Kamikaze tactics were terrifyingly effective at causing psychological fear among the Allied forces. The thought of facing opponents willing to die just to inflict damage was chilling. And physically, these suicide missions often resulted in significant damage to the Allied ships, more so than many conventional attacks could achieve. Interestingly, the initial successes of these missions, like those during the Battle of Leyte Gulf, further fueled the strategy. Seeing some level of success, Japan pressed on with these attacks, hoping to turn the tide of the war. Lastly, let's not forget about the practical aspects. Japan was running low on experienced pilots and advanced aircraft, and they were also facing severe fuel shortages. Kamikaze missions, requiring less fuel and training, became a pragmatic choice under these constraints. In conclusion, the use of kamikaze tactics by Japan during World War II was a result of multiple overlapping factors: a dire military situation, cultural influences, strategic desperation, and some initial successes. While these attacks were a tragic and extreme measure, they were seen as a last-ditch effort to inflict damage on an overpowering enemy. Thanks for watching! If you found this insight into history intriguing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more. See you in the next video.